Hello dear students, welcome back. In our previous lecture, you study our fourth lesson. What is the name of your fourth lesson? Its name is Your Own Book of Science. In this lesson, you study if you have any project or any practical and you can make it with your own self. So that time you have to make a book or a sheet to record to record the experiment, and you study experiment. What is the name of this experiment? Its name is lifting ice. Okay, so students, now today we are going to continue our next chapter, or we say it's not a chapter, it is a poem. It is a poem. And what is the name of the name of this poem? Its name is Six Honest Serving Men. It is your fifth number poem, and its name is Six Honest Serving Men. Students, 6 means 6. It is showing us a number. What is it? It is showing us a number, like that 6 things, or 6 people, 6 men, 6 women, 6 boys, or 6 girls. 6 things, 6 peoples about it. It is 6. It is showing us for a number. Honest means who is obedient, who is loyal for oneself. That's called it honest. Serving men means who is do it work for other. Serving men means who is doing a work for others. Okay, so now today we are going to continue our poem. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names, what and why, and when and how, and where and who. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. But a different folk have different views. I know a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men, who get no rest at all. She sends them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million wives. Students, the author name of this poem is Rudyard Kipling. Who is the author of this poem? Rudyard Kipling. You see it at the last name of this poet. Okay, Rudyard Kipling. He is the poet of this poem. You see it, student. It is your first stanza. It is the first stanza of this poem. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. It means that I have a 6 serving men. I have a 6 serving men. I keep 6 honest serving men means that I have a 6 person who taught me all I knew. It means that they know that they always taught me all I knew. They always taught me. They talked to me all I knew. And their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. So what is the name of these 6 person? What is the name of this person? Their name is what, why, when, how, where and who. These are the 6 honest serving men, and they always taught all I knew. Here the poet said it. Serving men means who do it work for other. What means sometime you have to do it any work. So who told you what to do you? What to do you? It means sometimes you want to do something. So that time you thought that what to do now? What to do for others? So who told you? It is a what. Who told you? It is a person is a what. Sometime you have a question in your mind. So that time you thought that why are I'm getting late? Why are you late? Someone asking a question for you. So it is a who is asking a question for you? Why? And what is the name of this person? Its name is why. Sometime you want to go to somewhere. If you want to go to somewhere to meet someone, so you want to fix a time. So that time when you want to go. So who told you? It is a when. What is the name of this person? Its name is when. You want to do anything. If you want to do study, if you want to do any project, any practical, so that time you think that how to do it now. You have a question for you. How to do it now? So who is the person who help you? He is a how. Who is the person who help you? Its name is how. Sometime you want to find something. So that time the person who help you, it's a where. Who help you? Where. And the last person who want to know. And the last person who want to know, he is a who. I sent them over land and sea. So what did the poet want to say? He want to say that he sent them over land and sea. He want to say that he sent them, all these 6 person, he sent them over land and sea. It means that he sent all these person, what, why, when, how, where and who. He sent them over a land and sea. It means that on the earth, he sent them on the earth, over the land and sea. It means that all over he sent them. I sent them east and west. Poet said that he sent them east and west. But after they have worked for me. But when after they have worked for me, poet said that when he sent them, when they completed his work, poet said that I sent them over the land and sea. I sent them east and west. But when after they have worked for me, it means that poet said that when they complete his work, after that he sent them all over the world. I give them all a rest. Poet said that I give them all a rest. It means that poet give a time to them to rest. Give a time to them to rest. Student, today we see these 2 stanzas and we are going to continue our poem in our next chapter, in our next lecture. Students, today we are seeing these 2 passages, these 2 stanzas of this poem, and other stanzas we are completed in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.